you want to make sales and make reviews. That's the biggest thing when it comes to being a successful seller on Amazon, is you want to make sure that you're making sales and then you're getting reviews. The sad fact is, a lot of people who jump on Amazon and start selling, they don't get enough reviews. On average, it's about every 10 sales, they get 1 review. So it's usually because they have bad follow-up. It's usually because the systems aren't in place, and not a lot of leverageability or scalability, where you can't follow up every customer. You can't get that 5-star feedback. Most people don't have time. Life goes on, they forget about they bought the product, they don't give you feedback. So what we're aiming to do is make every 10 sales you get 3 reviews. Does that make sense? So you do that through proper follow-up. I'm going to show you a few secrets later on, right?